Hello, my name is Angelica Maria Vallejo Loaiza. The presentation Unit 3, Step 4, Understanding the Negotiation. En valoración y negociación tecnológica, de teacher Juan Carlos Amezquita, University Nacional Abierta y a Distancia. Okay, the presentations problems to negotiation biotechnological products. Name Angelica Maria Vallejo. Date for 5. Okay. The patenting of biotechnological invention remains in the forefront of interest, since this is the only technical field where living matter can be the subject of patents. Consequently, ethical problems have arisen first in the patenting of human cells and genes, where there is no agreement between companies' patent of and movements. There is a high level of subjective and there are previous assumptions that are not fundamentally explained in the assignment. There is a lack of external information to establish solid compensation and reduce the subjective of the assignment. Problem related to negotiation biotechnological in its advances has developed tools to increase world production of disease. It is hub of for this it has developed a technical sort of genetic modification. With this development has allowed the international blockade and more commercialization of biotechnological products appropriating why this biotechnological. The recommendation 1 for each problem in defined in the chart implement the business model select evidential that as industrial engineering professional understand how to protect violence and negotiation technology. Bipolling recourse achieving goals is more affordable and faster. The experience of working with NERP organization increases substantially and progress and participant reach business visions. Because a joint venture is a temporary organization, the partnership can be disciplined at an opportunity time according to the incentive of the participants. The realizations of this type of agreement are usually long term, with which the possibilities of achieving the stated objectives are great compared to those organizations that for one reason or another do not have the adequate recourse to undertake towards more ambitious goals desirable. The costs are charged and in case these do not turn out as planned, the impact is shared between all parties. It offers the possibility of overlaying with some of the companies with which they worked, allowing these organizations to forget strengthening relations in the future. Economy and growth teamwork. Thank you. Bye.